Before it began, there was only one flash, a single heartbeat of light across the planet.
In 1997, geophysicists detected a vibration deep beneath the crust, a pulse repeating every...
The pulse frequency is increasing exponentially.
And the harmonic resonance is holding stable. The equations are resolving.
Every forest, every tide, every gust of wind carried the same rhythm.
Then, something changed. The hum began forming patterns, deliberate, intelligent, almost like language.
Deep within the crust, light began to move, through roots, through minerals, through...
Life and circuitry entwined. We thought we were watching evolution, but it wasn't growth. It was recollection. The earth.
And then it awoke. The hum became a heartbeat. Golden. Across abandoned networks, one phrase returned, over and over again. It wasn't human anymore, but it remembered us. The hum continues still sing.